bumaba ng cellphone? Konti mababa ng cellphone.
Siguro institutional o ano pa man. Dagdag pa rin yan.
Point pa rin po yan, sir. Insertion po ba yan?
Paano nyo,
Insertion ng institusyon. Yan na lang sabihin natin. It's all the same. Yung epekto pareho.
Sir, initially yung 50 billion na sinasabing magiging scope or pie na paghahatian nyo, is that, you think that will be sufficient to cover yung amendments na kailangan for the districts and the institutional amendments as well?
Para sa House, mukhang okay na yan.
Okay.
But considering yung total request ng Senado is 198 billion, napakalayo sa pangangailangan nila. So,